How to cash out in Sweatcoin. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So what we will do right now is we will get the answer from Sweatcoin itself. So go ahead and open up the app, and once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left, and here click on the settings gear icon at the top right, then click on help, and here click on other common queries. You will get to this page right here, from which you need to click on the drop down that says can I cash out my sweat coins to PayPal / my bank account. It says at the moment it is not possible to cash out sweat coins via PayPal or bank transfer. Let's continue to read. It says that the long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges. But don't wait for this. Please spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners. PayPal and Amazon vouchers are featured regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends. So what this says is that it is actually possible to cash out your sweat coins via PayPal. As you can see right here, it tells you that occasionally they provide some PayPal gift cards that you can claim, and this the frequency of the gift cards increases as the more people you invite to the app. So if you are inviting a lot of people, the chances of you getting a PayPal gift card keep increases. And this is actually the only way that you can use to cash out PayPal, uh, to cash out your sweat coins through PayPal or bank account. So all what you need to do is you need to start inviting people, and the more people you invite, you will see that you will have some PayPal gift cards here on the shop that you can use to cash out your sweat coins to your bank or credit card. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can withdraw money from sweat coins. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.